There is a parking lot with hundreds of refreshed Tesla Model S vehicles found near Fremont factory, and also in this report I'm going to tell you that Elon Musk explains Tesla's lumbar support removal, price increases for Model 3 and Model Y. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and give us thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. So with a little over 1 week to go before the first deliveries officially kick off, and hopefully, because it was delayed since June 3 to from June 3 to June 10. So with a little over 1 week to go before the first deliveries officially kick off of the refreshed Tesla Model S, a parking lot with hundreds of refreshed Model S vehicles has been discovered near Tesla's Fremont factory, reports driver Tesla Canada. In the last few weeks, friends, we have seen the Fremont factory itself packed with the new vehicles. Dozens of Model S were moved to an overflow area on the test track, and even some were lining a fence adjacent to the railroad tracks. As recently as last week, we have also seen hundreds of them show up in the logistics lot waiting to be loaded onto car carriers as if they were heading out in preparation for customer deliveries. Now it appears Tesla may have simply run out of space to store them, writes driver Tesla Canada. A parking lot just 3.3 miles away from the Fremont factory, has been discovered packed with hundreds of the dusty Tesla Model S refreshed vehicles. The discovery was made by Larry Davick, who posted a pair of videos to YouTube showing the parking lot appearing to be open and fully accessible to the public. Given the CEO Elon Musk has said they needed another week to tweak the vehicle before deliveries can begin, the refreshed Tesla Model S, and the fact that they have hundreds of what appears to be fully complete vehicles, it is likely software tweaks that are holding up deliveries. Otherwise, what they could change? I don't think they're going to change hardware, but it's rather maybe they're doing some software tweaks in these vehicles, refreshed Tesla Model S, before making the deliveries. According to Davick, the lot is located at the intersection of Automall Parkway and Osgood Road in Fremont. Well, friends, if you are in the area and would like to take some videos and pictures and send it to me, I would greatly appreciate. You can send the information to me to info@torquenews.com. But in the meanwhile, we have other news related to Tesla Model S and Model 3. Elon Musk explains Tesla's lumbar support removal price increase for Model 3 and Model Y. Maria Merano has the details from Tesla Radi, saying for several months now, Tesla has been implementing price increases for the Model 3 and Model Y. That's understandable. Elon Musk recently explained why Tesla has raised the price of its vehicles despite removing features from its product, specifically for the lumbar support for the passenger seats of the Model Y. And people are asking, if you are going to increase the price, why are you removing the features? But I'm going to talk about that just in a few moments as I get to some comments, what I have seen people saying on different websites and in the social media. Recently, longtime Tesla supporter who tweets at Ryan, the 3 Nerd, expressed his displeasure via Twitter at Tesla's price increases and removal of lumbar support for the Model Y. Elon Musk explained that the seemingly tough decisions Tesla has made in recent months was to handle some of the supply constraints it has encountered. Well, before I go to what Ryan said and what Elon Musk said, I want to notice you to Elon Musk explaining that the seemingly tough decisions, that means when good times come and Tesla supply issues are not constraints anymore, maybe these features will come back. So Ryan, here's what Ryan says. I really don't like the direction Tesla is going, raising increasing prices of vehicles, but removing features like lumber for the Model Y. On top of rumors of full self-driving increase to $14,000 without any real added features to FSD unless you are a beta tester. To this, Elon Musk responded today at 6:26 Pacific time, local time, PM, saying moving lumber was removed only in front passenger seat of Model 3 and Model Y, obviously not there in rear seats. Logs showed almost no usage. Not worth cost mass for everyone when almost never used. Prices increasing due to major supply chain price pressure industry-wide, raw materials especially. This is very interesting. Elon Musk is saying we removed it because it costs us, but also the log showed almost no use of the lumber. And also he talks about price increasing due to major supply chain price pressure industry-wide and raw materials especially. If you guys are a Tesla owners, do you use lumber? How often do you change it? Let us know please in the comment section below. Now, Musk said removed the moving lumber support feature only for the front passenger seat because log showed the feature was barely being used, not worth cost or mass for everyone when almost never used, Musk replied. The Tesla CEO also briefly gave a reason for the price increases in recent months. Price increasing due to major supply chain price pressure industry-wide, raw materials especially, he said. During the Q1 earnings call, Elon Musk openly talked about supply chain challenges Tesla faced that made Model S Plaid production difficult. So Q1 had some of the most difficult supply chain challenges that we have ever experienced in the life of Tesla, and same difficulties with supply chain, with parts over the whole range of parts. Obviously, people have heard about the chip shortage, he said in March. Many people have focused on the chip shortage, but global supply chain issues for raw materials have affected many industries as well. According to the Wall Street Journal, the costs of raw materials, energy and transportation have increased, forcing company executives to decide how to offset the increases. Now, let me know, friends, what do you think about these supply chain issues, cost increase, and all other things related to this. But in the meantime, regarding this lumber, I'm reading different comments in social media. People say lumber positioning is essential to comfort. Lumber adjustment for the passenger seat is not essential. However, factory presets in one size fits all can always be improved on, and for a two-driver passenger family share, why remove it regardless of the number adjustments time per mile driven reading or whatever calculation management used to make this decision. Other people are saying most married couples set the support and leave it, thus creating the illusion that it's not used often. This is very important, really. Married couples, they just set it and they never use it, of course, because they have already set it. That's important. Furthermore, non-adjustable lumbar support isn't good enough for everyone, since we're all different heights and bodies, and also since we're talking about $50,000 vehicle. If I'm spending that much, I expect adjustable lumbar support for both front passengers. Elon is giving a non-convincing answer. If they are having supply chain issues, then fine, but he shouldn't feel the need to create a secondary reason when the first one is good enough. Both my spouse and I like lumbar support, says one person. It looks like we won't buy another Tesla until they decide to add it back. I think Tesla and Elon Musk need to think about this if people are talking like this. Well, let me know what you're thinking, friends, about lumbar support and also the Fremont Park about refresh Tesla models. This is Armen Harian from Torque News. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, give us thumbs up if you find it informative, and I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. See you soon.